So friends, in this lesson number 6, we are going to solve 5 different questions, and all the 5 different questions will be on the pattern called including and excluding. So let me move on to all the questions on this pattern. So here it is, question number 1. The average weight of 21 boys was recorded as 64 kg. If the weight of teacher was added, the average is increased by 1 kg. So what is teacher's age? So friends, listen here friends, average weight of 21 boys was recorded as 64 kg, right? So there are totally 21 boys and the average will be 64 kg. One person is added to the group, that is the teacher is added to the group, so that the average is increased by 1 kg. So our target to find what is teacher's weight. Okay. So friends, first of all, the total weight of boys. We know that there are 21 boys in a group. So 21 into 64, the resultant will be the total weight of all 21 boys, right? And next is a teacher is added, right? So already we know that there are 21 boys and the teacher is added, so finally 22 now, and the average is increased by 1. Already the average is 64. If the average is increased by 1, then we can say that 22 into 65. So friends, listen here friends, we need to find the difference, right? If we find the difference, so boys total weight will be 21 into 64. So boy and a teacher, the total weight will be 22 into 65. So when we find what is the difference, the resultant will be the weight of the teacher, right? So friends, now we need to multiply this. I think 4 into 1 will be 4. So next is 4 into 2 will be 8, 8 plus 16 will be 14, remainder will be 1, so 12 and 13. So 1344 will be the total weight of boys. So difference, now we need to find what is the total weight of boys and a teacher, right? So 5 into 2 will be 10, so remainder will be 1. So next is 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10, that is 22. So 22 plus 1 will be 23, so remainder will be 2. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 will be 14. So friends, 1430 will be the total weight of boys and a teacher, that is 21 boys and 1 teacher, so totally 22 members. So for the complete 22 members, the weight will be 1430. And only for the boys the weight will be 1344. So our target to find what is the teacher's weight. So when we subtract both the values, the resultant will be teacher's weight, right? So 1344, 1430. I think the difference will be 86, right? So 86. So finally we can say that the teacher weight will be 86 kg. So finally we got an answer, that is 86 kg for question number 1. Question number 2. Average age of 14 girls and the teacher age will be 15 years. If the teacher is excluded, then the average is reduced by 1. So find what is teacher's age. Friends, listen here friends. First of all, average age of 14 girls and a teacher, right? So we can say that totally there are 15 members. So 15 members and their average age will be 15. So 15 into 15, the resultant will be the total age of a teacher and a girl, right? So this will be the total age of teacher and a girl. Now the teacher is excluded, that is, teacher is eliminated, right? We already know that 14 girls and a teacher. If the teacher is eliminated, then there will be only 14 girls. And because of teacher excluded, the average is reduced by 1. Already the average will be 15. Because of teacher eliminated, the average is reduced by 1, so it becomes 14, right? So this will be only the total age of girls, and this will be the total age of girls and also a teacher, right? So we need to find what is the age of teacher. So 15 into 15 into 15 will be 225. So difference 14 into 14 will be 196. So our target to find what is teacher's age, right? So we need to find the difference. So difference will be 29. So finally we can say that 29 will be the teacher's age. So friends, listen here friends. First of all, 14 girls and a teacher. So totally there are 15 members. So 15 into 15 resultant will be the total age of the students and also a teacher, right? So difference here, what teacher is excluded, that is teacher is eliminated. So the remaining will be 14 members, that is 14 girls, and the average is reduced by 1. Already the average will be 15. If the average is reduced by 1, then the average will be 14. So 14 into 14 will be the total age of girls. So 15 into 15 will be the total age of girls and a teacher. So resultant, when we subtract this, the resultant will be 29 age, that is age of the teacher. Question number 3. The average age of 5 members of a family is 25 years. If the servant of family is included, the average age is increased by 40%. So what is the servant age? So friends, initially in a family there are 5 members, right? And their average age will be 25. So we can say that the family total age, right? So the family total age will be 5 into 25. So 5 into 25 will be the total age of family, that is 125. Okay. Now the servant is added to the family. The average age is increased by 40%. Already there are 5 members in a family. If the servant is included, so family plus servant. we can say that there are 6 members in a family because a servant is included. Now there are 6 members and the average is increased by 40%, friends. Already the average will be 25, right? Now it is increased by 40%, that is 40 divided by 100. So we can say this as 4 times, so 10. So finally we can say that already the average will be 25. Now 40% of 25 will be 10. So resultant will be 35. Now the new average will be 35. So 35. So friends, listen here friends, the concept is most important, right? So the family will be 5 members, in a family 5 members, so 5 into 25 will be the total age of family, that is 125. Now the servant is added because of 5, already there are 5 members in a family. If the servant is added, then it will be 6 members, and because of servant added, the average is increased by 40%. So 40% of 25 will be 10. Already it is 25, so 40% is increased, right? So we can say that 25 plus 10 will be 35. Now the average will be 35 for 6 members. So our target to find what is the age of the person servant, right? So we need to subtract this ones, that is we need to find the difference. 6 5s are 30, remainder will be 3, 18 plus 3 will be 210. So 210 minus 125, so 125 difference 210. I think we need to find the age of the servant, right? Okay, so friends, this will be 80, so 80 plus 5 85. So finally we can say that the age of the servant will be 85. So friends, most important concept, so try to understand the concept, right? So why we use 6 here, why we use 35 here, these are the things. If you practice a lot, then solving all the questions will be so simple, right? Already there are 5 members, 1 servant is included, now 6 members. So already the age of the family is 25. 40% is increased. 40% of 25 will be 10. So 10 is increased, so 25 plus 10 will be 35. So now the new average will be 6 members in a family and the new average is 35. But our target to find what is the age of servant. So when we find the difference, the resultant will be 85 will be the age of the servant. Here is question number 4. The average age of 4 members of a family is 25 years. If the head of the family is included, the average age is increased by 20%. So what is age of the head, right? So friends, this question looks like a previous question, right? So friends, average age of 4 members of a family is 25 years. So we can say that the total age of a family will be 4 into 25. So 25 into 4 will be 100, right? So 100 will be the total age of the family. If the head of a family is included, so already there are 4 members. If one person is included, then it will be 5 members, right? So the average age is increased by 20%. Already the age of the family will be 25. Now it is increased by 20%, friends. So 20% of 25 will be 5. If it is 5 increase, then the resultant will be 30. So 5 into 30. This will be family plus head, right? So friends, the total age of family and head will be 5 into 30, that is 150, and the family total age will be 100, right? So 100 will be the total age of family. So family and head, the total age will be 150. So our target to find what is the age of the head. So when we find what is the difference between both the values, the resultant will be the age of head, right? So 150 difference 100 will be 50 age. So we can say that the age of the head will be 50. So friends, listen here friends. The most important concept is you should know how to calculate percentage value. 20% increase, right? Already it is 25. 20% will be 5, right? So 10% will be 2.5. So 2.5 plus 2.5 will be 5. So 5 is increased from the original average. So 25 plus 5 resultant will be 30. Already there are 4 members in a family and 1 head is included. Now there are 5 members. So if we find difference between both the values, the resultant will be the age of the head. So finally we got an answer for question number 4, that is 50. The last 5th question. Average age of class is 35 years. 6 new students with an average age 33 years joined. Thereby the average is decreased by half year. So find the original strength of the class. So friends, this is one of the exceptional case question, but listen the concept carefully friends. Average age of class is 35 years, but we don't know initially how many students are there in a class. So let me assume that X will be the original strength of the classroom. So X into 35. So the resultant will be the total strength of the class, right? Plus now 6 new student is added and 6 student average will be 33 years. So 6 into 33, the resultant will be the total age of 6 person. And this will be the original strength of the classroom, right? Original strength will be X. So X into 35 will be the total strength of the classroom, right? So friends, when we add both the values, the resultant will be the total strength of the classroom. So 6 new student is added with the average of 33 and the original strength of the class will be X. So X into 35. So divided by, now the total strength of the classroom will be X plus 6. So friends, the total average will be 35. Because of 6 new students is added, the average is decreased by half. So half means that is 1 by 2. So friends, if you write this equation properly, then solving all the question will be so simple, right? So friends, x into 35 plus 6 into 33, the resultant will be the total strength of the class. But our target to find what is the original strength of the class. So original strength of the class will be x. So our target to find what is the value of x. And because of 6 new students is added, the average is decreased by half, that is 1 by 2. So friends, 1 by 2 will be 0.5. So 35 minus 0.5 will be 34.5. So this can be done as 34.5. And x into 35 will be 35x. So this can be done as 198. So 198 divided by x plus 6. So 35x plus 198 is equals to 34.5 into x will be 34.5x. So plus 34.5 into 6, right? So 6 5s are 30, so remainder will be 3. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 will be 27, remainder will be 2, 18 plus 2 will be 207. So friends, 35x minus 34.5x will be 0.5x is equals to 207 minus 198. So 207 minus 198 will be 9, right? So 9. So x is equal to 90 divided by 5, right? So 9 divided by 0.5 can be done as 90 divided by 5. So x is equal to 18. So friends, finally we got the answer for last question, that is original strength of the classroom will be 18. So friends, these are the question are exceptional case, but try to learn all the concepts, right? So friends, finally we have solved 5 different questions on this lesson number 6. So don't forget to watch all the remaining lessons and the previous lessons and share this video to your friends so that your friends can also learn this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.